Give me a good reason.
I love you.
No, you are not gonna